welcome back to the bench. Today we're going to start a new project for our small scale Saturday deal. Got a bunch of parts here. I picked up this roll cage. It's called RC roll cage body. M-Raids accessory parts MEUS-Racing. Okay, made overseas. But I thought it would be cool for a project. They actually send you a screwdriver to put this together, some panel decals, okay, and basically what we have here is a roll cage that kind of looks like a, I don't know, Jeep, let's just say it. But it's a buggy, really. So this is going to be an off-road buggy, 1/24 scale, okay? So we got this chassis, roll cage. It's a 3D printed, and it's done with some pretty good stuff, really. So it looks quite well, or quite good, whichever. So this is going to be, oh, I think something's rattling. It's the interior. Okay, so it has an interior, a hood, some panels, and hardware, and some decals, and a fairly decent looking screwdriver. Alright, so that is the basis of this buggy. We're going to call it an off-road buggy. Okay, you see a lot of guys on the internet making off-road buggies out of Jeeps, basically bringing in tapering to the front, the back, wide wheelbase, strong stuff. So that's what this is basically going to be. Okay. So we have a set of shocks by Endura shocks. I've used these before on 1/24 scale. Good shocks. Okay. Got an axial AE6 ESC receiver, all in one. Okay, we have Endura. Actually, this is made by Epion, aluminum, links, skid plate, steering arms, the whole 9 yards. Now I'll have all these parts listed in the description. Okay. This is another buggy type frame from Endura, but I'm not going to use that one on this project. Okay, I have some RC four-wheel drive tires here. These are Interco tires. I don't know if I'm going to use those or not, because my wife bought me a bunch of parts for my birthday. So I have these bigger, made by Ace Keeps. You get 4 beadlock tires and 4 super swamper type tires, and they're much bigger than these. And I'm thinking this is going to be an off-road buggy, so we're going to put some big tires on it, like 40 inches. You know what I'm saying? So we got beadlocks and and these are also made overseas. Okay. We got Emax Servo. This one comes from Injora. Okay. We got drive shafts from Injora. And Injora axles. Front and rear axles for 1/24 scale. So I got a lot of Injora parts. Injora makes a lot of stuff for 1/24 scale. And up to this point, I have no problems with any of the Injora stuff. So these axles are metal axles. So 1/24 scale, comes with hardware. Injora always sends hardware. They send extra hardware. Okay, for almost every project you're going to do. So we have Injora axles, and I do believe we have I think Injora. This is actually made by Maker Fire. Some of the names they have, motor, and this is a 50 turn motor. Comes with a plate and spur gear. Gear. And then for the transmission, we have another Injora transmission. So we have all the parts we need to build this vehicle. I've even got brass hubs for the wheels and knuckles if we need those. And then I also have skid plates made by Injora. So we have plenty of parts to build this vehicle. These are that's for FMS, but I've got lots of wheels and tires. So this is going to be the next project, an off-road buggy. I am building a 1/10 scale off-road buggy, Jeep buggy, also on my channel, and I'm in the middle of that right now. That's for my regular 1/10 scale stuff. This is for my small scale Saturday stuff. So we've got all the parts we need to create this vehicle. So in the next couple of weeks, you will see this being built on the channel. So if you're interested, come back next week. We'll have some of it done. And then the week after that, we'll have probably the rest of it done. So we'll be working on it for a couple weeks in between working on the 1/10 scale. So any questions, leave them below. And we'll see how all this stuff turns out. Looks like it's going to be a kind of a fun project. I built a few other 1/24 scale projects. You can see those on my channel also. So if you're interested, Small Scale Saturday is for those guys and gals that want to get in the hobby and not spend billions of bucks. Okay, all this stuff here maybe costs $200. All the stuff for this 1/10 scale thing here, it's gonna cost close to $800. So two different versions of the off-road buggy, and this one, different prices. And if you like 1/24 scale, or if you like just bombing around out in the yard, I think these will be fun. All right, so again, thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.